You have finished your training SD 45 days, 4 hours per day with one trainer. After that, with me around 10 days or 12 days, I don't know. Some training. So now you are already completed the training. Now you should be ready for the S4HANA exam, parallelly interview. Otherwise, interview plus exam. Okay. Even based on your SD certification, also many jobs are there. No problem. But if you do S4HANA, already one attempt is there. You can do it. That is a one advantage. But based on SD, also a lot of job is happening with my students also. But my students almost all S4HANA only now. But I heard that they're happening. Even your Delphi people only. Overall SD certified, they're not done S4HANA exam. Due to some reason, they have not taken the exam. So they already placed in jobs. So that is why now you should know how to prepare for interview exam. First and foremost, the screens and fields. Sales document type screen, delivery document type screen, billing document type screen, sales item category screen, delivery item category screen, schedule and category screen. Then my screens and fields, that screen very important. Then determination determination, definitely they will ask in the interview. 20 minutes interview means 10 minutes only determination only. So the determination plus I discuss that interview question, that is very important. If you read these three, and if you go and today's class and also another 2 3 days I'll take, if you take these two class is more than enough. Okay. So now how it will happen, we'll see. First I'll share the screen. Yes, for Anna only I'll tell you. I'll send the questions to you, no problem. Only for S4 HANA, I'll send you the question. Parallelly, you can record it. So what is that? I'll tell you. Okay. There are so many things are there. I don't know which one is the correct actually. Okay, leave it. I'll take this I'll take my server only. See now. Okay, let it open. See, I'll tell you. See now, if you are SD certified and you are S4 HANA certified, they'll expect about S4 HANA. Okay, that is why you should know about what they'll expect from you people related to the S4 HANA, because you're SD certified, you're S4 HANA certified. Now we are going to put you into the S4 HANA project. So many big things they'll tell. Whether S4 HANA project or any project, SD only, same screen fields, only little change. That's all. So that is why whatever it may be, you should know basically, because you are not a technical consultant, you are a functional consultant. Functional consultant, you have to understand the business process of the client and they are going to implement the things. So that is why you are all functional consultant. So functional consultant should know how much you know as how much you should know as for HANA, that I'm going to tell. That is important in the real time, because you're not a technical. If it's a technical means it is a more. So now first they will ask, you are SD certified and S4HANA certified, so it's a good sign. In this engage only you're done two certification, so we are going to put into that project, this project, all big things. Immediately they will ask you, tell me about what you know about S4HANA, because now at present the market is S4HANA only. Market means in the market, in the mail and all, S4HANA knowledge, S4HANA knowledge. What knowledge? Functional consultant, SD knowledge only, little S4HANA. So what is that? Basically you should know they will ask what is the difference between SAP ECC. What you have done certification is SAP ECC 6.0 EHP 7. That is SAP ECC. Now S4 HANA. So what is the major difference between SAP ECC and S4HANA? You have to say the database. In SAP ECC, the database is Oracle database. In S4HANA, database is HANA database, that is own product. But SAP ECC having a database that is with a third party. It is not ours. It is not SAP things. It is a Oracle. 1 second. So that is not HANA product. That is not SAP product. That Oracle is a third party database. So you have to tell the major difference between SAP ECC and S4 HANA is the database. The database in SAP ECC is a Oracle database, third party tool. But here in S4 HANA, database is HANA database, SAP own product. This is number one. Number two, they may ask or they may not ask, but you should know this. What is database? You have to say database is a central database. Actually it is a central database. Central database means all the client business process and the end user activity is going to sit in the database and it will process. Data will be processed. You have to tell that. So that is a database. So earlier the client business process and the end user transactions, reports, everything will be in the Oracle database and it will be processed. But now in the HANA database, in the HANA S4HANA, the database is in the HANA database, that is SAP own product. This is number two. Number three, this Oracle database, it will be situated in the hard disk. From the hard disk, it will go to the RAM, then it will be processed. That is the earlier SAP ECC. Now in S4HANA, the database is HANA database. That HANA database will be it will be situated in the in-memory computing RAM, indirectly RAM only. But you can't tell the RAM. In S4HANA, the HANA database will be inserted into the RAM. The RAM speed is 12 terabyte. You can't tell that. You have to say in S4HANA, HANA database will be situated in the in-memory computing RAM. That you have to tell. And the database stored in the ECC, database stored in the SAP ECC is the row based. One row over, next row data will process. Second row over, third row data will be processed. Like that, it is a row based. In S4HANA, the data are rows and columns. Rows and columns. That is why it is fast. One row over, next row means it takes time. But here, row, small row, again column, small row, again column. So it is a very fast, like a sinusoidal way. This is one. Next, in SAP ECC, you have IMG screen and easy access screen. IMG screen means consultant screen, easy access screen means end user screen. But in SAP S4HANA, IMG screen, consultant screen plus easy access end user screen. In addition to that, in S4HANA, there is a Fury Launchpad. One user interface is there. Just like your easy access in S4HANA, there is a IMG easy access. Along with the easy access, there is a one Fury Launchpad, that is a user interface. That end user, he can sit anywhere, he can access and he can do the transactions what he has done the easy access, that he can do it in a simple device called Android mobile and tab. That is the Fury Launchpad advantage. And the other one is in Fury Launchpad, you no need to use the laptop, desktop and all. No username, password, this and all. Direct, there is one web link is there. Just know how you have a Skype link, how you click. Like that, there is a web-based link is there in the Fury Launchpad. If you click that, it will take you to the Fury Launchpad. There you can create order, delivery, billing. So there is no T codes. Only you have to click the app. Just like your Play Store app, in the Fury Launchpad, there is an app is there. That is manage sales order app, manage quotation app, manage inquiry app, then create outbound delivery, create billing document. Like that, app will be there, no T code. If you click the tab, the screen will come as usual. How you are done in the easy access, same thing. That you should know. So in the SAP S4HANA, there is a IMG consultant activity, easy access end user activity, and also Fury Launchpad. You have to tell that Fury Launchpad is a user interface. It is a web-based link. Through that, end user can sit anywhere and he can access with a simple device called Android mobile and tab. Even you can use desktop also, but no need username, password, that, this, etc. and all. So that is that much user friendly. Okay. Next, here SAP ECC, you have, it is around 40 years back history. 40 years they're using that. But S4HANA started on 2018 10th month. From there it is S4HANA started. Still S4HANA has to implement a lot of things. So in SAP ECC and S4HANA, what is the difference? Here in SAP ECC, customer master data is XD01. The same customer master data in S4HANA, it is a business partner BP. The same screen, little here and there, transactions will change. That's all that you should know. Next, rebate discount agreement is changed. In in SAP ECC, it is a rebate discount agreement, but in S4HANA, it is called condition contract agreement. It is changed to condition contract agreement. In SAP ECC, earlier it was a credit management. Now the credit management has moved to FI. In S4HANA, the credit management is moved to FI. S4HANA FI. But earlier it was in ECC, SAP SD. Now it is moved to SAP S4HANA FI, not SD. Next, what are the output you are going to take? The output of inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing as a print preview, as a hard copy, a soft copy. That will be in SAP ECC directly. If you click print preview will come. Background programming is running. It will give the print preview. Now in S4HANA, the output management, they change the name as BRF plus, Bangalore, Rajasthan, Flower plus. That means Business Rule Framework plus. That is output management, the tool. So in this tool will be used by ABAPer. He has to create one business object, then only you can take the print preview. So earlier directly you have to click the print preview, background output programming will be running. You can take the print preview of the inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing. But now it is not like that. ABAPer has to create one business object by using BRF plus, Business Rule Framework output management tool. Then only you can take the print preview. So this is the major things in the S4HANA. And in S4HANA, so in SAP ECC, the implementation is done by ASAP methodology, accelerated SAP methodology. In S4HANA, it is SAP activate methodology. So in S4HANA, it is activate methodology. In SAP ECC, it is ASAP methodology. This, if you know, more than enough. Any doubt in this? Remaining same as it is, nothing change. Nothing change. Now you tell me any doubt, you can tell me. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, this is as it is, but the main is what? The mother, the SD mother. What is SD mother? Enterprise structure, master data, sales document types, delivery document types, billing document types, pricing practical, then copy control, determinations. So many things are important. Pre-goods listing exclusion and all, don't bother. Condition techniques, where all condition technique is used. So these are all main. Along with this, what I told just now, that if you know, more than enough. Plus that interview question, what I discussed, that 45 question, you should know that thoroughly. The sales flow already you have written. One day I shown you the normal sales flow: inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, billing, then release to the FI department. Contract sales flow: inquiry, quotation, contractual agreement, quantity contract and value contract, then order, delivery, billing. Warehouse sales order, warehouse sales flow: inquiry, quotation, order, delivery, transfer of order, then pick pack PGI, then billing, then release to the FI department. This already you have written. This flow, this 45 question plus determinations, the screens and fields, what I told, my Excel sheet, sales document types, different type of sales document type, different type of delivery document type, different type of billing document type. Then that today, just now what I told, that S4HANA difference, if you know, you can crack the interview, no problem. And the exam questions, I'm going to send through mail only. I won't send it to WhatsApp group, because if I send, it doesn't look nice. I won't send usually, because I felt bad one time. Some of my students, They have informed to the other batch to people, sir is giving question, same question will come, that, this and all. He went and told to the another trainer, because earlier when I was taking autos before COVID, it is a classroom training. I was taking in one training in one room, another training, another fellow was taking fellow. So this fellow in the lunchtime, my student, he didn't tell intentionally. In a happy way, he said, so confidently he told, see, my trainer is like this, he told. So that fellow went and told the same to the trainer. Sir, that the SD trainer, they'll give questions and all, what you are not giving any question. And he is teaching one by one like this, he told. So he got irritated and he went, he sent a strong mail to Autos. Natraj is not teaching properly. He's jealousy on me. Jealousy, and you want to mm, put bad name on me. So he put a strong mail to the Autos. Autos people, they didn't care. They throw that mail. So that fellow told. So that is why afterwards I came to know that, hey, Natraj, who is this? That trainer is telling something about you. See the mail he has written like this and all. Then I asked in my class, who is this? Who? Anybody told to trainer anything? So then one fellow told, sir, in the lunchtime, one student, he met me. So I told like this in a good way. I told, sir, he said. So that is why I never send any questions to WhatsApp. I'll send SAP SD. I'll send, but S4 HANA I won't send. Okay, I'll send it to your mail only. Okay, this you read now. I told you. See, this is a 2 class. Another 45 minutes class is there. I told you, you go and see my Excel sheet. Otherwise, you go and see the class notes. Your class notes, sales document type. Otherwise, book, sales document types, sales item categories, sales schedule line categories, movement types, delivery document types, delivery item category, and billing document types, and screens, determinations. The next 45 or 46 questions. Then S4 on what I told. If you read this and come, and I'm going to send to your mail. To send your mail email ID. Any one people can send. You can share it to other people. Okay? I'm having your mail. I think Neha and one more start from P. P1 start from P. So that 2 mails are there. I'll send it to them. Okay. So that question. But before reading that question, taking the exam, this you be thorough with this. If you thorough with this, your S4 HANA exam questions will be easy. Okay. So this you should know thoroughly. Now you tell me, how is your preparation? Many students getting without S4 HANA certification also people are getting job. Tell me now. Any doubt? All of you?
No.
No, sir.
So now how strong you are? Determination, how strong you are? All of you. Yeah, I told you beginning of the class only. I told you you have finished 2 training. One with your trainer, another with Natraj. 10 days or 11 days or whatever it may be. So 2 trainings are over. Trainings are over now. I given a hint for you to crack the interview. What is that? Screens and fields, determinations, 45 questions. Today what I told as far on a difference. Then next, my Excel sheet, what I sent. Go and see my Excel sheet, what I sent. Sales document type, item categories, billing document type, item category, everything is there in that. That you read and you go. This is very, very important. Then only it is easy. See, sending question today, you will read within 2 days, answers are there, you will read. But you should basically you should know all these things. Then only your S4 HANA exam and interview, everything will be easy. Okay. Any doubt? Overall confident in this. Yes, I'm determination. I'm okay. Screens and fields. I'm okay. 45 question. What you are discussed with the interview question, that is also okay. And my what is that sales document Excel sheet? What I sent, that is also okay. Interview questions okay. Then it is good. Good sign. I'm telling you. See, sending questions, reading the things, clearing the exam is easy. Yeah? Tomorrow, one time you have to prepare well. Before entering into the SAP, you should prepare well and get into the job. That's a good sign. Going there, learning there, don't do. It is happened for some people. So they will somehow their day is good. They will take inside, but after that they don't know anything. So they will put them into the 1 month. You see, the 1 month you be in the bench. So you read everything and upgrade, and then you come. See, that is unnecessary waste. Okay, that is why now only time is there. Still time is there. What are the things I told you now? Just read that and you tell me. Yes, I'm ready. Ready only if you tell, I'll send the question. Otherwise, I won't send the question. Simply passing the exam, okay, yeah. See, parallelly, you should know, no, because you have done 2 times training. So you should know thoroughly all determinations, screens and fields. Not determination means not all. At least you should know at least 50%. If you tell, they'll be happy. 50% if you tell, they'll be happy. Remaining 50% if you tell wrong, also no botheration. So simply become a S2 certification and get into the job. There, 1 month sitting in the bench. No. Now only I given the hint. I send the notes. I given the interview questions. I given the flow. Now you read that and come after 2 days. Then only I'll take the class. That is the last class, final class. Now you ask me any doubt. You can ask me now. Any doubt? Please ask. Hello. Any doubt? All of you. Oh, now
No,
two
sir.
people have joined. Yeah. Vikrant, you are joined just now. Vikrant. Hello. You 2 people have joined just now. I seen your name, Vikrant, and one more. I don't know the name. Forgot. Just now 2 people have joined. Vikrant and Saurabh. Hello.
No, sir. I joined in starting.
Okay. Okay. Then some people, 2 people joined. Yeah. Okay. Leave it. Now. Okay. Now you tell me. See, I given the flow. I given the roadmap. You should do this and come. Then I'll give the interview questions. Sorry, S4HANA questions. You will clear it. No problem. But you should know. No. Simply certification making not good. Parallelly, you should read. If you read only, I'll give the questions. Now, how many people are good in determinations, screens and fields, that interview questions? Huh? How many people are knows? I'm not asking like that. You yourself inside, you judge yourself whether your things are correct. Yes, still I have to read determination. Yes, I have to read some screens and fields. I'm not telling all the screens and fields you should know. If you take sales document type screen, 1, 2, 3 controls you should know. Sales item category, 2, 3 controls if you know. Shed line category, 2, 3 controls if you know. More than enough. I told you 50% if you know, you will do well in the interview, in the interview as well as in the real time. You don't know anything means directly they will tell no, 1 month will give salary, everything and all. You go and sit there. That is the one place is there, so they will give the system and all. You upgrade. So why that? That is why exam also parallelly, your interview also parallelly. As a consultant, what are the things you should know? You see. So one by one, you make it one by one. So first day determination, second day screens and fields, third day that interview question, fourth day today recording about S4HANA and SEC. That's all, yeah. No other things. That's all. So you have to read this, then you come. Anyway, your 2 email ID is there. Anyway, I'll send it to you. And I'm not delaying. I'll send the questions to you. Okay, question and answers both are there. But you have to read this. When you'll read, you have to read this. Okay. No, I'm not telling you are not prepared and all. So I'm making you alert and seriousness so that you should read well. Okay. So read well and tell me. I'll take the final class, that is after 2 days. Nothing. What I send the questions, I'm going to tell the answers and I'll discuss on that. That's all. Okay. So any doubt, all of you?
No, sir.
You can ask me any doubt. You can ask me. See, like this, nobody will tell you. You read, yeah. Interview read, yeah. They will tell. Who will give that one plan, total plan? Other than this, he can't ask any question, yeah. As a fresher, you're going for interview. He has to ask that 45 questions only. He can't ask other than this, this, that, and all. So I made a one big boundary. That boundary you should know. In addition to the determination, you should know screens and fields, not all screens and fields. There are 20 controls. You read only 2-3 controls you should know. But you should know sales document types, data document types, billing document type, condition techniques, all these things. That's all. Condition technique means the flow chart of condition technique. Then where all it is applicable, it is there in my class notes. I told you. Otherwise, it is there. You will avail. You will get. You know that no issues in that. Condition technique is used in the pricing procedure. Condition technique is used in the output determination. Condition technique is used in the text determination. Condition technique is used in the revenue output determination. Condition technique is used in the free goods. Condition technique is used in the listing exclusion. Condition technique is used in the metal determination. That's all. That also they will ask in the interview. That you should know. So that is why these are all very, very important. Read well. Okay. Exam questions I'm going to send to you people. You will share all the screen. Because I've seen, I think yours is a 7th batch, and I have seen some 5-6 batches. I have seen majority of the people only their target is to clear the exam. Yeah. 2 certification is done. Okay, fine. Chalo. Go for interview. Get into the job. But that is not the way. That is also you can go, but that is not fair. Every day is not Sunday. So parallelly, you should know as a SD consultant means you are not put 20,000 or 10,000 rupees. Yeah, you have put quite a good amount of for the certification. So parallelly, you read all the things. What are the things I told you? Read all the things. Then you tell me, I'll take the class. Anyway, I'll send the interview. The S4HANA questions. Same questions will come. Which version you have to select in the exam? Which version you have to take? That version plus S4HANA exam questions I'll send. Already I shared the version, correct? Did I share the version? Did I share the version to you people? Which version your exam?
No, sir.
Anyone?
No,
Okay, I'll send it. Everything I'll send it. I'll send it. The version and all I'll send it through WhatsApp group. But exam question I'm sending it through mail only. You ask Neha and one more fellow. I'm having that email ID. For 2 people I'll send. Let them other people. Let these people will send to all the people. Okay. Okay, fine. Read now. Read. Passing exam is easy. Read thoroughly. Like this flow chart who will give, yeah. See, if I tell like this, you will read. Please read. And difference between SAP ECC and S4HANA is this. The full form of SAP S4HANA is what? SAP means System Application Product in Data Processing. S means Integrated Suite. 4 means 4th generation or 4. Then HANA means HANA means high performance, high speed, analytics and analysis. Analytics means transactions. Analysis means reports. This is the full form. Okay, this you should know. So anything is there, I'll tell you, no problem. And I'll send the questions to you, your mail. I won't delay. But before that, you should, what are the things I told, keep it in mind. You read that one by one. Then only it is a good course. See, another 20 years, SAP, nothing will happen. That much. It is standing like anything. Nobody can shake. The jobs are there, market is good. But when you're entering into that IT environment, SAP IT environment, you should know all these things. Okay? That's all. That's what I am telling. Okay? That is why I told you this class. Okay? Okay. I'll stop up to this. I'll send the questions. Again, after 2-3 days, that S4HANA exam questions I'll discuss. I'll tell you which are the questions you're not able to understand, how to read, how to prepare for the exam. I'll tell you. Along with the version also, I'm going to send through WhatsApp group. The questions I'm going to send through mail only. Okay? Okay then. Okay? You. See you. Again, one more class is there. That is also like this, 45 minutes or 40 minutes or half an hour. Okay? Fine? Tell other people to come. The last class. Maybe Sunday, not Sunday, Saturday. Otherwise, Monday I'll take. Okay. By that time, I'll send the questions to you people. Okay. Okay. Fine.
Yes. Thank you, sir.